Hey everybody, we're back down in the duck yard again. We've been getting rain for a couple of days now. It's been fairly steady, occasionally just misting, but getting some bouts of heavier rain as well. And pond has filled back in nicely. One of the things we've been doing is running this little drain hose into the pond. When we were getting that first bit of rain and filling up the little totes that we have up under the overhang of the garage, I noticed that there was a drain happening. There was a leak that was preventing the tanks from filling past a certain point. So while the rain is going, I'm not going to bother fixing it. I'd rather just run all of this water that would otherwise just be spilling out down to the ducks so that they have something to do. And it's come back in pretty nicely. Still a little brown, but we'll get the pump running again during the next sunny day. We'll get some more plants in here. We've been seeding out millet, sunflowers, and a couple of broad beans, along with throwing strawberries, blueberries, and some of the hascap berries in for them, just to try and seed out more things. We've got little pops of green coming in, so I'll be excited to see what the ducks' browsing habits are on some of these plants, and whether or not they can reach some level of maturity before the ducks eat them back, or if we'll actually get anything looking like seeds or fruits. Still working on the wattle fencing. We've got our shape in place, and we've decided that we're going to put a little access path for a wheelbarrow so we can more easily clean out the coop, and we'll be getting a little bit more underway. So just a quick little update. We're at the point now where the babies are big enough that they can join the adults in foraging out in the yard. So they've been getting some day trips, field trips as it were. And there's my Mr. Norris. Hey, guy. So that's our little rain finally came update. Hope you're all getting rain that your systems can handle. Hope your gardens are doing well. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.